Hi friends, I'm Srinivas Rao. Hope you are doing good. I'm also good. Today, actually, I wanted to focus on the process of interview for the candidates who are going for the interview in the pharma industry, whether it is a multinational company or a top Indian pharma company. Many interested candidates who want to make their career in pharma industry can follow the guidelines from a talk, follow the guidelines and how to face the interview and what are the requisites to face the interview, so on and so forth. So kindly listen to my talk till the end. Okay. So what are the basic requisites for a candidate to appear for the pharma industry? He must be a pharmacy graduate, or he must be a science graduate. Sometimes some companies prefer even the commerce graduates, and after selection they train them. So these are the three requisites. And the candidate's resume should be very simple and expressive. For a newcomer, there is nothing to add. Whatever the his plus points are there, his strong points are there, he can add it. Okay, and his passion and his hobbies he can add. And for an experienced candidate, apart from the normal resume, we can add his experience of the company which has already worked, and a little bit about his performance also he can reflect in the resume. Basically, when you're going for interview in pharma industry, you should have the basic knowledge about the pharma industry. That is very, very important. What is pharma industry? What companies are there? Some basic knowledge of the pharma industry you should have. Secondly, you must speak English. Basic communication in English is necessary in pharma industry, because after selection you will be meeting all professional doctors or healthcare professionals and explaining them, detailing them about your products, of your company products in English. So you must have basic English communication knowledge. Correct, friends? And thirdly, when you are going to attend a company interview, you must know some knowledge about the company which you are going for the interview. What is that company? Who are the promoters? And what are the products of that company which are available in marketplace? If it's already an established company, okay, some basic knowledge about the company and its promoters you must have, friends. And most importantly, apart from this, you must have passion to travel, because the interviewer will ask you about your passion. First thing is, this is a role which you're playing, that you should travel. Okay, so you must have that passion to travel. You must own a two-wheeler. Okay, and you must have basic knowledge about the territory. That is, you should know the topography of the territory for which you are being interviewed, for which you are being recruited. Okay, you must have that knowledge of the territory of the city or the town or whatever vacancy they are taking, or expansion, whatever it is they are taking. Correct. So that is very, very important. And secondly, what you must have is, you must know basic things about the human anatomy. This is very, very important, friends. Before going to the interview, prepare yourself what basic things are required to face the interview, because you, tomorrow onwards, once you are selected, you will be focusing on the products, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, product contraindications, indications, what is drug, where it acts. So therefore you must have some basic knowledge about the human anatomy systems. Example like respiratory system, digestive system, correct, central nervous system, etc. So many 9 systems are there totally. Some basic knowledge you should have. Correct. And apart from this, you must have some friends in the industry who are working in already in the industry for reference. This is very, very important. Whether the manager level, they are your friends working in the pharma industry, they should have a strong reference from those people, so that you are a reliable candidate in the pharma industry. Correct, friends? So these are the things which you should have, basic things when you're going for an interview. Most importantly, last but not least, you should be dressed well, and you should have a tie. You should wear a tie. Your hair should be nicely trimmed, because the first impression is the best impression for the interviewer. Correct, friends? So therefore, I request all the youngsters who are going for the interview or the facing interview in the pharma industry in different companies, Please prepare yourself. Please be smiling. Your attitude should be always smiling. You should be assertive in answers. Even if you don't know the answer, nothing is going to happen. Say, sir, I don't know. Don't try to evade the question and give something different replies, which not correlate to the question and interviewer asked. Simple. If you don't know, say don't know. And be calm. And be a good listener. It's very, very important. Be a good listener. After listening to the complete question, then you answer. So friends, these are some of the basic things I just wanted to tell you how to face interview for a newcomer. So please watch. I'll be making other videos from tomorrow onwards on the systems also, about human anatomy and other systems. Kindly watch my video and subscribe to my videos. Thank you very much. My channel name is MN Srinu Talks. Thank you. All the best. Good day.